Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 verbs. What is verbs? Verbs are known as action words. A verb tells us what something or someone does. Okay, it describes an action of some kind. Like here example is given. We laugh, she sings. Okay, laugh, she's laughing, we are laughing. So laugh is the action word, one action we are doing, what we are doing, laugh. Okay, she sings, she sings means she is singing. Here is mr, the word is mr are the simple present form of the verb be. Simple present form of the verb be. Okay, uses. Use am with the pronoun I. Always where am is used with the pronoun I. Use is with singular noun such as my father and the teacher with pronoun he, she, it. Use are with plural noun and pronouns we, you and they. Like here you see examples. I am tired. I am in the school. Here am is used with the pronoun I. My mother is at the shop. Here you see singular noun is used with singular noun. He is an athlete. The children are sleeping. Computers are very useful. My brother and I are at home. We are going for a movie. Here are is used with plural nouns. Okay. We use is with singular noun and are with plural noun. Here examples. There is a mango tree in our garden. There is a means one mango tree is there in our garden. There is a pasta for lunch. So there is pasta. For lunch there is pasta. Like you see here, there are birds sitting on the wall. There are birds. There are many swings in the park. There are many swings means many swings are there. बहुत सारे swings है. So here also plural nouns are is there because swings are there. If swing then maybe is. Okay, but here are is given, it is plural. Okay, now you see here table is am are. Okay, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. In singular what happen, I am. Then in plural what we use, we are. Second person you are. In second person you know you means singular also you, plural also you. So here you are same. For third person you know he, she, it. Then he is, she is, it is. Here we use they are, they are, they are. Contraction. Here there are short ways of saying and writing is, am, are. Okay, with pronouns. So these short forms are called contraction. Full form is this one and short form here. I am, I apostrophe am. You are, you apostrophe re. He is, his. He apostrophe s. She is, she apostrophe s. It is, it apostrophe s. We are, we apostrophe re. They are, they apostrophe re. Okay. We can use this contraction to replace is, am, are also when they are used with not. Okay. I am, I am not. He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. We are not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not, they aren't. Okay. Here ing form of a verb is called present participle. And we use present participle with is, am, are to make present progressive tense. Like examples are given. Am plus watching, this is present participle. Is plus listening is present participle, and are plus playing is present participle. Here example is here exercise is given. Fill in the blank spaces with present progressive tense. Try to use contraction. I am, I apostrophe am, C apostrophe is, and they apostrophe re, wherever you can. We dash go to the farmhouse tomorrow. Okay, here go is given, so we have to change this one into present progressive tense. We are going to the farmhouse. Okay. She apostrophe S is fixing my car in the garage. Okay, understood? Use of was and were. The word was and were are the simple past form of the verb be. Like I said before, was is the simple past form of is and am. We should use was with singular noun and with the pronoun he, she and it. Where is the simple past form of are. We use where with plural nouns, okay, or with the pronoun we, you and they. Here examples are given. 10 years ago, I was only a baby. My friend was ill. It was raining yesterday. We may use this contraction when combining was and were with not. Okay, this contraction we can use. Use of has, have and had. The verb have is used to say what people own or possess. Okay, have means if the people is the owner, then only have is used. We use have with the pronoun I, we, you and they, and with the plural nouns such as my parents Ravi and Akash. We use has with the pronoun he, she and it, and with plural singular nouns such as my dad, the teacher, etc. So I have two sisters and one brother. Here two sisters means I am the owner, that I have two sisters. John has a pet dog. John has a pet dog. John is having a pet dog. Okay, John has a pet dog. Our house has big windows. I can't play football because I have a broken leg. So the word have and has are the simple present form of the verb have, and simple past tense form of have and has is had. So here exercise is given. You understood, students? Okay, thank you.